Ever wanted to slow cook a meal without using any power? Today, I'll show you how to make a simple solar oven from things you've probably got at home. This method is perfect for bread, veggies, or even a stew, using just sunlight. Why bother? It's free energy, ideal for hot Aussie days, and a handy backup when you want to save on electricity bills or cook outdoors in summer. Start with a sturdy cardboard box and a smaller black pot with a lid. You'll also need some aluminium foil, clear plastic wrap, and newspaper. Line the inside of the box with foil, shiny side up, to reflect sunlight effectively. Next, scrunch up newspaper and place it around the pot inside the box to insulate and keep heat in. Put your food in the pot, cover it, and set it inside the box. Then stretch clear plastic wrap tightly over the open top of the box to trap heat inside. Place the box in the sunniest spot in your yard, angled towards the midday sun for best results. Remember to rotate the box as the sun moves to keep it facing the light. A common mistake is not sealing the plastic wrap tightly. If it's loose, heat escapes and cooking slows. After a few hours, you'll have slow-cooked food using nothing but sunshine. The main takeaway: even in a typical suburban backyard, you can harness solar power to cook meals simply and sustainably.